Hello everyone, today let me introduce SA5000 series, the first 4.5 kilowatt gasoline generator from Senci. We already have open frame portable generator covering from 1 kilowatt to 8 kilowatts before, but there was a shortage at the 4 kilowatt range. Thanks to the success of new engine SV275 this year, we are able to complete the core single-cylinder generator lineup. SV275 is designed to give you high-powered outputs packed within a compact structure. This engine features a 274cc 4-stroke overhead valve design, more than 9 horsepower. Engine starts easily with electric start or easy pull recoil start. Be EPA and Euro 5 certified. This engine is approved for use in American and European markets. SV275 is built to be used consistently and the perfect way to power any project. Now we supply the new engine SV275 for all the portable generator lineup, from Senci 1 to Senci 5, totally 5 models. SA5000 is designed as a powerful user-friendly unit, perfect for running household appliances and providing power to the job site. This series packs a punch and will keep you powered at home, at work, and at play. They all feature 5 kilowatts max power and 4.5 kilowatts rated power, with the main difference being weight and appearance. For 60 Hz area, the max power can even reach 5.5 kilowatts, rated power at 5 kilowatts. SA5000 series is super football with 7-inch level flat wheels and a high leverage single folding handle with ergonomic grip. Best of all, this series gives you multiple starting options. Our standard reliable recoil start that comes on all of our generators. An electronic start system with 7A battery can be optional. Leading 25-liter fuel capacity provides you a whopping 50 hours of running time on a single tank. The control panel includes a 120 volts 30 ampere outlet and a 120 or 240 volts 30 ampere outlet to power the most demanding needs. The panel also features an hour meter, circuit breakers, oil alarm lamp, DC outputs. Panels can be customized according to the needs of various markets. Other additional functions such as one-touch start, remote model, ATS are also available per different cost. Its small size and lightweight mean it takes up little space and is cost saving on the transportation. The max loading quantity for SA5000 is around 400 pieces in a 14 high cube. SA5000 can meet the main certificate requirements of all over the world, including UL, CSA, CE, GS, EPA, CAR, ROS, Euro 5, etc. Like all Senci generators, SA5000 series are built with all copper windings that last for years. Automatic voltage regulator ensures clean power output from the Senci power screen alternator. SA5000 is covered by our 1-year factory warranty. For more information, visit us online at senci.com or contact your sales. Senci Power lights up the world. Thank you.
Take this opportunity to specially introduce our Senci latest marine-use engine, or we also call boat-use engine. For this new type engine, nowadays we mainly focus on 2 models, AC230BR and AC460BR. For this model number, S means Senci, C means AC series engine, 230 and 460 means the displacement, B means boat, R means racing and high speed. Here we mentioned our Senci AC series engine. Some new friends may not have idea about this engine, so I'd like to take 1 minute to have a brief introduction for this engine. So for our AC series engine compared with traditional Honda copy in the market, we especially improve the spare parts like the cylinder head and the crankcase and some inside parts in special. And also we adjusted the ventilation structure, so this machine can have much better cooling condition to assure the longer using time.
Well, today our topic is about our merry use engine. The flower standing for this type of engine, the first characteristic is the high speed. As we know, under the river or sea, there is almost no traffic jams. So, under the safe condition, the boat can run the faster the better. However, how to make the engine still work smoothly and stable under a high speed, it becomes to be a question. Someone will say, make the engine speed get higher is very easy. We just need to adjust the engine speed. But if we just adjusted the speed boat but nothing changed, as we know, the whole machine will get easily have hunting and lifetime get much shorter, and even some other problems happen. Consider the high speed requirements and the using environment on water. Our Senci have specially made adjustments on below parts for our boat use engine. Piston ring. We changed the coating, which can increase the wearability under the high-speed working speed, so to assure the durability of the whole machine. Second, we improved the crankshaft and flywheel, make them burn more fully under high speed, and improve the power 20%. Improve the spark plug, which more easily get fire and a longer lifetime. Carburetor. Adjust the carburetor fuel injection system, which can make the oil and gas mixture ratio more suitable, so the burning more fully and the emission less. Air container. Consider the environment was on the water. We removed the paper element, which can make it damp and affect the air input and only keep the sponge for filtration. Consider the environment was on the water, so the muffler is very easy to get rust. So for this merry engine, we specially changed the material of this muffler. So the material of the whole muffler is aluminized steel, and also the muffler pipe. So the material is stainless. So the whole muffler is not easy to get rust during the using. Fuel tank cap. We add a chain and the fuel tank cap to avoid the cap drawing to the water. In conclusion, the overall characteristics for our Senci merry engine is: first, high power, high speed, and stable. The second is no fuel consumption and no emission. Third is the quality spare parts used and assure working long time. The detailed specification for our AC230BR and AC460BR was: AC230BR 8 HP, displacement 223 cc, max power 5,600 watts, and rated speed we fixed in our factory was 4,200 RPM and max 5,600 RPM. Rated speed setting we can do higher if you need. Max power can be 5.7 kW at 3,600 RPM. AC460BR, 16 horsepower, displacement 459 cc, max power was 10 kW, and the rated speed we fixed in our factory was 4,200 RPM and max 4,600 RPM. Max power can be 10 kW at 3,600 RPM. Finally, I want to make a forecast here. We are planning to launch our third Merry Use engine at the beginning of next year. Please keep focusing our Senci. If you want to know more information, you also can contact with our sales for the details. Thank you.
Hi guys! Let me introduce our new model PPS with 300 watts lithium power station. The model number is PPS 300L. Here is the control panel. There are two switches. One is DC output, the other is AC output. When you turn on the DC output switch, that can be charged for your mobile phone and computer with USB socket. When you turn on the AC output, then can collect the socket with power equipment. On the other side, there is a switch to control the real light. There are two charge holes. One is collects house-use electric power, and another one can be charged with solar. It is very light, only 3.6 kg. It is easy to carry out for camping. It can be charged full, only need 8 hours, and the charge time can reach to 500 times. If you are interested in portable power station, our PPS is your best choice. And we also have another type, PPS 600L. It has 600 watts output. Thanks for your watching.